welcome back to another vlog. As you can see by the title, I have decided to refresh my kitchen cabinets because they were looking old and tired, and no matter how much I tried to clean them, they just weren't giving anymore. I mean, if I'm already sprucing up for Christmas, I might as well do everything, right? So we headed over to Koiman for some white paint, and apparently they had a one-day green basket sale going on. Anything you put inside this basket was 20% off. Like, it's not even Black Friday and I'm about to save money. One green basket, please. Thank ya. I grabbed 2 cans of white paint. I got my 40% off, which I almost didn't even get because the cashier forgot to give it to me, but I was out of there in no time. Back home now, and it's actually time to get to work, so I'm grabbing my impact drill to get off these cabinet doors, hinges and handles because we're doing this properly. After that, it was time to sand, and let me just say, wear your protective equipment, gloves, goggles, masks, yeah, that type of stuff, because I ended up looking like I was sanding myself. Okay guys, once everything was smooth, it was finally time to paint, and this is my favorite part because I love painting. I went back with the white cabinets because white just makes everything more open. It's cleaner, it's brighter, and everything is just better. So this is the next morning, and while the cabinets were drying, I headed to the beach for a quick dip and to catch the sunrise. At first I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it because, as you can see, outside looks so cloudy, but I ended up getting something. Once we got back home, I moved on to sanding and painting the actual cabinets because we are not refreshing half of a kitchen. This is supposed to be a masterpiece, guys, not a monstrosity. After 2 coats and a lot of patience, it was time to reassemble everything. I also gave the handles and hinges a little glow up with some sanding and silver spray paint. I didn't film it, but trust me, they look brand new. And just like that, you guys, the kitchen cabinets are refreshed and ready for the holidays. If you want to see all of the behind the scenes details, you can go ahead and check out my blog, thepinkscribble.com, and tell me what you guys think. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed every moment of my little DIY project, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye.